Hello everybody. To start with my oral presentation, firstly, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Genova Carrasco and I'm majoring in international business. To be more precise about describing the election of my major, I'm going to explain in a few words in what it consists, involves, and provides. Me as a professional, I will be specialized in developing and implementing business strategies and in the operation of international trade, also considering the impact of some aspects, for example, the political, the legal, the social, and the cultural aspects. In other words, a lean is a person who has the eye to cross the business world. It exists different fields that this major covers. For example, the logistics, the administration, the commerce, and the international relations. Due to the trips that making business involve, a lean can socialize with people with new ideas, with fresh concepts about business and companies. In addition, it offers a wealth of cultures and languages. Consequently, as a lean, I will be able to work in goods and service companies. I can introduce myself in government and embassies, and apart from that, I can give to the companies consult and advice. Finally, what I can say about being a lean is that the experiences in international business, not all the companies or all the work